Ko te hauora hinengaro ke tētahi o ngā tino pūtake o te kāingakoretanga, e a kia Hurimoana Dennis.
Te nuinga o rātou, kei te māwiwi ana. It's not a house issue or homeless issue. I mean, clearly that's the obvious issue, but it's not the issue. When whānau choose to sleep in a shop door, rummage through rubbish for kai, don't look well, they're on addictions, that is a person who is not of sound mind.
He uru pare ki ngā tono kauneke a te kāwana, e mana ai te pirihimana tohu i te hunga kore kāinga, me te hunga patimoni e whakapōraru ana i te tangata kei ngā tiriti.
Moving them to the left or moving them up the road and then having a talk to them again, moving them along and then some penalties just doesn't make any sense.
Nobody chooses to be homeless. Let's be clear, people are there because of circumstance, generally not of their own making. And for us to treat them like that as a community is not who we are as a country.
Hei tā ngāta tauranga, kua rea rua te kaute o te hunga kāingakore i tāmake makaurau, mai te whārau i te tau 2024, ā koni atu i te iwa rau i te tau kua hori. Hei tā Chris Hipkins o Reipa, he piritāpi noi ho tēnei ki ngā raru nui, kei mua i te aroaro.
But you're not going to deal with homelessness by moving it out of the CBD into the suburbs. We've got to invest in those social service providers who actually deal with the underlying causes of homelessness.
Ko Hurimoana Dennis i te puea marae, ko Murray Eldridge i te whare whakamaru i pōneke era kua kite a whatu, kua rongo ātaringa i ngā auwea te hunga kāinga kore, I o raiwa no hapori.
I think the situation out there at the moment is the worst it's ever been, certainly in living memory. Why? How's that come about? COVID had an impact on that, socio-economic effects had an impact on that.
From a wider policing perspective in terms of enforcement, I think that's going to create more work for them, definitely. Under the Mental Health Act, there was already provision in there for them to move them on, but to move them to a place where they can get some care. And that needs to be the rautaki, rather than a criminal issue.
Ko ngā hāmene i tēnei rautaki, he whaina e rua mano tāra, e toru maramara nei ki rō whare here. Me te aha, he tono tonu tēnei a te kāwana, kāre anō kia mana, I raro I te ture.